Ooh, that sun feels good.
Yeah, it does.
Hey everybody, Greg with Park Journey here. We're here at Six Flags Magic Mountain about to ride the all-new West Coast Racers. As you can see, we're about to race the yellow track here on the other side. We're about to launch here once they get the other station in there. We're going to do some high fives and some stalls and some launches and all kinds of spaghetti bowls and fun stuff. So it looks like we're about to launch here. Here we go!
Woo!
Yeah!
Whoa! Whoa! Ha-ha!
Whoa! Yeah! We're going to the second launch.
Woo!
Some pretty good forces right here too. Oh yeah. So that's the first side of West Coast Racers. Gonna go head into the garage here and get a little tune-up.
Yeah.
Maybe?
Yeah, I think they're underneath us right now.
Okay, welcome back.
there we
I
go.
hope you enjoyed that run, but the next one is even going to be more epic.
More
right now,
epic.
the West Coast crew is below you, working on your ride. Matter of fact, let me go check out that.
Uh-oh, here we go.
They're taking off our tires.
Yeah, no kidding. So now we're going to,
It's go time.
all right.
Oh, yeah.
So now we're going to race on the other side.
Against the red
And
car.
as you see, we're going to race the red car. Hey, guys. So we're going to head into the third launch here in a minute. And we're going to do the course on the other side.
Do you like the white or the yellow
I
side?
don't know. Let's decide after we ride the yellow side.
That's a good idea. I forgot. Whoops.
This is our first ride ever on this. Come on.
Oh
we
my
don't know
God.
what side we like better yet,
Such a
right?
noob.
Here we go. Launch number 4. Yeah.
Whoa! Jeez.
So there it is, West Coast Racers at Six Flags Magic Mountain. So to answer your question, I think I like the yellow side slightly better. There's a little bit more forces in the spaghetti bowl there, but that Top Gun stall on the white, though.
Yeah, I think I've been digging the white. It's pretty fun.
They're both. It's all good.
Yeah, there's equal fun sides to each
Fun
thing.
sides.
Yeah.
For anybody who was saying that this was going to be similar to Twisted Colossus, it is not at all. The Top Gun doesn't feel anything like the one on Twisted Colossus at all. It's a great, fun ride. Not the tallest, not the fastest, but that's okay. Sometimes a ride can just be a lot of fun, and that's what this is. So get out here to Six Flags Magic Mountain, check out the ride. A lot of great theming. Check out some new food. We're gonna go check some of that out. Some tacos and chicken and all kinds of stuff. So the ride officially opens on Thursday, the 9th. So get out here and ride it because it's a lot of fun.